Here's a $20 Facebook Market find of an old dresser turned into a sink. As you can see, it was in really rough shape. The finish on it was severely damaged, scratched, could not be saved. Here you can see I've sanded off the finish on the top completely down to the bare wood. I removed the faucet. I started painting the drawers with mineral paint or chalk paint by Waverly in the color Mineral. Took several coats to completely cover the body. I spray painted the hardware and I polyed it completely after I had finished painting it. I also replaced the legs to black metal legs from Amazon. Here's a look at it finished. And here it is installed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up